friends. Today we're going to look at our instrument here, and this is called a rain stick, and it makes different noises by moving it different ways. So I want to show you. I'm going to turn it upside down and use your ears and listen to the sounds that it makes. See what you think it sounds like. Okay, listen. Did that sound like rain? Yeah, all of the little beads went from the top to the bottom, and it sounded like it was raining. That is so fun. So the other things we can do with our stick is we can shake it. And it'll make a louder sound. Now I'm going to shake it really fast and see what you think it sounds like. That was loud, wasn't it? Does that sound like it's raining outside really hard? Yeah, that's what it sounded like to me. I thought it was raining really hard. Now, if I shake it slowly, let's see what that sounds like. Did you hear it? Did you listen with your ears? That was quiet. That was quiet. What that was like, it was just raining a little bit, not real hard. So one more fun thing we can do with our rain stick is we can roll it. Wow, you see that? I'm going to roll it. Woo! And back. That makes kind of a loud sound too, depending on how fast we roll it. When we roll it or shake it fast, it's loud. We hear that with our ears, don't we? But if we do it slowly, it's not as loud. It's more quiet. That's what we hear with our ears. So now let's do one more time. We're going to shake it fast. Ready? Listen. See if you hear it loud. Wow. Now we're going to shake it quietly. It's quiet then, isn't it? Now we're going to practice breathing. After we've done an exciting activity like this, when we shake it and get it loud, we need to learn how to calm our bodies down. So let's take a deep breath. Do it again. You know what else you can do? You can sing a quiet song. I'm going to hum Twinkle, Twinkle, Little Star because I really like that song. Are you calming down? Or you can take some more deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. You can practice those too. Have fun, friends.